Just to give you an idea, to create this sound, to create that one sound, we have to break it into multiple sounds. First one, صوت Formula 1 race car. Then صوت bullet ricochet, like cartoon ricochet. Then another one with a little bit more defined start. Then a scream of a lady. Woo! She's going like that. And then the sound of a Ferrari racing Formula 1 with a long tail, and so you can hear the car going. So his movement. And then one more is here. Sound of a bow. So it launches like an arrow. And then another one here. A sort of a whiplash. So as he in the screen, so we can define, and he passed the screen, a whiplash. Then the sound of a parachute, the sound of his gallabiya, you know, his dishdasha. And then also a sound of air stutter, whoosh. And then the sound of a Formula 1 Ferrari passing by. No, sorry, this is a rocket. This is a rocket taking off. Okay, this is a sound of same thing. This is clothing, and then also this is another clothing when he's on screen. So you add all these sounds together, this is what they come up with. And then you have reaction of the chicken after they pass by, the flutter of the chicken wings, and also you can hear more of wind in the back, and another going. It's like a Ferrari car racing. When they go far away, you hear that fire.